Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to create your own ringtone and transfer it to your iPhone. So first you need to go to your folder and click on organize and folder search option. Click on view and you need to set the setting to whatever I did here. Make sure it is the same. After that, you can click on apply and OK. Open up your iTunes, add file to your library. So choose your own music and import it to your iTunes. Now right click on your music and click Get Info. Click Option and change the duration to 40 seconds. You may adjust your own duration, but maximum will be 40 seconds. Now go to Convert and create AAC version for that music. Now it has duplicated the track and you can change it to original again. Make sure the track is 40 seconds, drag it to your desktop and rename it to M4R. You want to click on File and import that music into your iTunes again. Now click on your device and click on Tones. Here are some of the tones that I did, so you can choose your own tones and click Done and Apply. So now you need to go to your setting, click on Sound, and there you go, your own ringtone. Hope this tutorial helps you and you give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.